relationship is the most important thing, and that's what this mom really needs no matter what. And what can we do to help her feel comfortable? What can we do to let her know we really care about her? How can we show her that we see that she's in a tough spot, but she's doing the best that she can? That's the key.
We make sure to remind parents that as home visitors, we are not here to judge them. We're here to support them. We know they have strengths and we want to build them up.
Especially when they're a new parent, it doesn't always feel like you're doing a good job. So it needs to be like super specific and clear, not just like you're doing this, but you're doing this and that's important because.
We keep in mind how we can bridge cultures. We communicate openly and let families know we may not know their culture or what it's like to be in their family, but we want to know. Another thing that's really important to our team is that we come together regularly to create reflective space. Home visitors are able to share about the work with families that they're doing, and often the curiosity and different perspectives in the group lead to a new way of understanding. When home visitors feel supported, that strengthens their ability to go out and serve families well.
You're with them, that you're holding whatever it is with them, that you hear them, that you validate how they feel. You're not telling them they can't.
You just have this thing going on. Or I'm going to assume that they're interested in the program and that they're interested in what I have to give. Then I think that I'm able to do those extra strategies in a way that actually is going to be more likely to make them successful.
You know, empathizing, checking in just about how they're doing. Or I saw this and I was thinking about you, and text that, and I feel like I've gotten more sometimes responses back just about that instead of I feel like you're always asking for a visit
and then even if they don't respond, it's still this idea that you're in my mind and it's okay to not respond. I just wanted to pass along that I'm caring about you.
When we respond with empathy about whatever families are going through, parents are more likely to invite us into their home.
The importance of the relationship, just that's their priority, they're really working purposefully to develop a genuine connection with families, a genuine relationship with these moms, so that this person can become comfortable with them and feel like they can count on them. It's not really about any kind of strategy in particular as far as, I'm going to send you this cool piece of curriculum, or all those things are important and they can be fun and you can be creative. You can send them a picture of something that you got donated and maybe they like that and you can bring it out, or you can tell them, can I just stop by and bring you diapers? You can do all those things, but it really boils down to the intention underneath. If it's really that I want to know you, I want to be here for you this time in your life, that gets conveyed. I think that as we've reflected on why do we get in, I think it's because we stick to believing it's about the relationship.